Hey y'all, today we're making a pistachio cheesecake. It turned out so good and I'm so incredibly proud. I am a savory cooker, but this came out good. Keep on watching. So we're going to make our crust. We're going to crush up some graham crackers and add in some melted butter and just incorporate everything. If you don't have a food processor, you can put it in a Ziploc bag and then roll it with a rolling pin or just crush them up with your hands. So I'm going to mix that and then I'm going to add in my sugar and then incorporate that as well. I am so impressed and proud of myself because I do struggle with baking. I love cooking savory dishes, but baking has always been a struggle because it is a science. So I'm so happy that this came out good. I do hope to make more sweet and bake more on this channel. So here you're going to just press everything, and when you see it kind of start to mold together, that's when you know you can add it to your pan. This is a spring foam pie pan, I believe. So I'm just going to put everything in and then press it down firmly to make the crust. If you'd like, you can go up the sides a little bit. And then I'm going to also use a glass just to press everything down, as you'll see. So while I work on my cheesecake filling, I'm going to put this in the freezer for about 15 minutes and then we'll start the cheesecake filling. Alright, so we're going to work on our cheesecake filling. Everything should be room temperature. I'm adding in the cream cheese. I'm going to add 3 eggs, some sugar, sour cream, and vanilla. Tablespoons of pistachio butter. You want to make sure you give it a good mix around to get the oil from off the top. And lastly, I'm going to add just a pinch of salt. We are going to line our pan with aluminum foil because we are going to do a water bath because we will bake this. So our crust is set and formed. I'm just going to fold the aluminum foil up the sides. All right, and so I'm adding the cheesecake filling into the pie pan. And once I've filled it all the way, I'm going to tap it on the table to try to get most of the air bubbles out. For my water bath, I added about 6 cups of boiling water to a pan, and then I set my pie pan in the center, and then I'm going to bake this on 350 for an hour. All right, and this is it coming out. As you can see, it still has a little jiggle to it, and that's what you want. I'm going to let this cool for a few hours, and now we're going to work on the pistachio topping. So these are the ingredients: white chocolate, whole milk, the pistachio butter again, and then powdered sugar. And then I'm just going to melt everything down on a low heat. I have my heat a little bit high, but I had to turn it down. So just going to put your chocolate in, then you're going to add your milk. Then you'll add either, doesn't matter which way, but your powdered sugar and your pistachio butter, and then whisk everything. I just wanted to say thank you guys so much for watching. If you're a returning viewer or if you're new here, hey y'all. Just want to ask you guys to please like and subscribe and comment with this video. If you can interact, it really helps my channel. But I'm so glad you guys are here. I have some other great videos if you want to check them out. So we're going to continue on with the recipe. So after we have mixed everything and it's the consistency that you like, let it cool down for about half an hour off the stove. Next, I have some salted pistachios. I'm going to pull some of them and some I'll leave whole to decorate the top of the cake, and you'll see that here. All right, this was a scary part, y'all. I'm taking my cheesecake out of the refrigerator, and I was so worried that it wouldn't come out, but it came out pretty easy, and I was excited. I did end up having to transfer it to the serving board that I was going to use, but it came out very easily, and I just used a spatula to transfer it later onto the serving board. But look at that, y'all. It's so pretty. All right, so I'm just going to pour the pistachio frosting on top and use my spatula to kind of spread it around. Didn't have any real direction. I just wanted to make sure that it was coated all over the top. And then I'm going to add the pistachios around the border of the cheesecake. I've been obsessed with pistachio everything. Pistachio food, pistachio fragrances. This has been my jam. So just going to add this on here. I'm also going to add a couple of edible flowers for decoration. And here you guys go. I hope you try it. If you do, please let me know how it turned out. I do plan to make some more videos baking and making sweets because I want to mix it up on my channel, but I'm still learning as far as it goes with the baking. But just wanted to tell you guys I appreciate you so much. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.